What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. We are doing something big today. As you guys saw in the previous video with the Mustang, we got the engine completely built and ready to go. So now the next step is to get the Mustang to Nick's shop, and we're gonna just drop it off and have Nick do the whole swap, since he did the first swap in the first place, so he knows where every wire and every plug goes. Let's go ahead and get the Mustang loaded up on to the trailer, which we got right here, ready to go. And now we got to take the Mustang out of the garage and load it up. To go. She's locked and loaded. Alright, I'm excited. Finally getting this thing back running right. Obviously you guys saw it did run, but it blew out a lot of smoke. And that's why the piston ring is done in cylinder 7. This thing is toast, but we're gonna freshen it up, make it look real nice. Like I said in the previous videos, the paint is not looking so good. I want to get the engine done before we work on the exterior so I don't mess it up. Maybe get a fresh paint job or what, but I am going to do the 1314 mirrors like you guys mentioned, and then I got to get a front bumper, and we are looking good. I'm going to paint all these black, make it look nice, refresh the whole thing, maybe get a new one of these wicker bill spoilers because this is way dirty. I'm going to clean it up, see how good I can clean it, but might get a new one of those, put the right exhaust back on. Let's head on over to Nick's, drop it off. Well, you guys, we got the Mustang right back there on the trailer. We are on our way to the shop to go ahead and drop it off. One thing that we do have to do though is when we drop it off, I then have to drop the trailer off, and then we have to go to Andrew's shop to pick up the engine, and then from there I have to pick the engine up from Andrew's and then drop it off at the shop. Today's gonna be a pretty busy day. We are getting things rolling. I know you guys are excited just as much as I am because I get non-stop comments. Even when I just post normal videos, people are saying, yo, where's the Mustang? What's the update? I'm excited to get this thing back on the road and just make more content on the Mustang and just have some fun and make a lot of noise doing so. We are pulling up to the shop right now. Look at the other Mustangs on trailers. Got a couple Mustangs over there. Got a bunch of Mustangs right here. I believe his shop is right here. We're gonna go ahead and unload her. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. Let's do this thing. Let's unstrap it real quick. Boom. Boom. Just like that. So we can open this up. I'm gonna ask him if he'll do the fuel system as well. It's been a while since we did this. There's, I'm sure, a lot more stuff that you know. That's what I was thinking too. I'm like, I'm sure you know so much more now.
This with the E-Pass rack plugged right in.
Yeah. Electric pump, the AC, I want done. That if I can get one thing done, I want the AC. And then once I'm done with the engine and everything, put the blower back on, then I'm gonna paint the whole car.
So your Pro Charger was
right here,
right?
Yep.
Did you have any room in here, or was there none?
No, because of this.
I'm just trying to think of where I'm gonna put the regulator when I build it. I can put it over in the tower.
Yeah, I was gonna say over there is good. Pro Charger, and it's weird because it sucks in from this angle.
It goes to the back.
Yeah.
We can always see. I weld aluminum now. Like I can caulk your shit differently.
I just wanted my car to be
run
like,
it
nice and clean and run right. You know.
Yeah. If we need to, we can caulk the Pro Charger differently when you come back, and then I can build you a custom piping layout that's going to be friendly to everything. The bumper won't interfere with it, whatever.
Yeah, I had to cut my bumper every time because of how, you know, the way this is won't push that much.
Since this, dude, oh yeah, it's so much different. I know how to knock them out so easily. You said you were racing someone and it happened.
Yeah, I raced a Hellcat.
Yeah.
And then it
Blew up.
Blew by, went crazy, and then I called you guys the next day, and then we got it tuned, and it was running lean up top, and that's when it went all to shit. Because I didn't have enough fuel pump. I think for now I'm just gonna maybe buy one of your 3650s, and then later I'm gonna do a whole T56 swap, drive shaft, new clutch,
Okay.
and go crazy with that. And just like that, we got the Mustang off the trailer. It is now at the shop. Now we gotta head on over to Andrew's house and get the engine in the back of this truck, bring it over here, and then Nick is just going to put it all together. I think we're also going to go ahead and get the AC fixed, as you guys heard our conversation, and we might do some more extra goodies to this thing. I got the fuel system in the car as well, so he might throw that in there too. This car is going to be completely different, and it's going to be super clean and ready to go. And like he said, if you guys didn't hear, that was his first Coyote swap, and now he's going to tackle it once again, even better than last time. So I'm excited and stoked for what we are going to do with this thing. Enough of me talking, let's go to Andrew's, let's pick up the engine, let's come back here, and then call it a night. All right, we made it to Andrew's shop. We got the engine right here. We're going to throw that in the truck.
Yeah, just...
And then, yeah, simple. Coyote swap. This is the one that just got raffled, right? So this is gone out of here.
Yep, just going through it. Brakes felt a little weird, so John's gonna help me bleed them since two-person job.
Ow. That sounds really good, actually.
So it's
nice.
pretty much all good. Just wanted to run through it and make sure everything's all good. It also had an O2 sensor from sitting for like a month. The O2 sensor went bad first.
Wow, everything looks super clean.
Yeah.
Fuel system.
Regulator.
Yep, we got the Coyote swap. You guys already know.
You're off to a good start.
Thank you.
There's one that's really long, so
That's this one.
yeah. That.
All right, we got the plate on. Now we are gonna be able to go ahead and throw it in the truck. Andy had a valve cover. Are we gonna leave that on? One, a little bit more, right there. A little bit more. Perfect. Yeah, that's good. Engine is in the truck. We made it back here at the shop. It's back there. We had to kind of quickly take the engine out of the truck because they're way closed. So didn't get to really film us taking it out of the truck and putting it into the shop, but trust me, it is in there and it is ready to go. I want to turn around and look at the Mustang one last time because this is the last time we're gonna see her with the Gen 1 motor inside of her. There she is. She's all nice and parked up.
Yeah, the fleet.
Literally. All right, there she is. You too. All right. We are out of here.